Thank you very much. I really do. Because on the first time when I saw magic, I thought magic was real. No, not that magic is not real. I thought it was like real. You know when people they think that you've got real powers, they don't even want you to come closer to them. They'll be like touching their pockets. I thought magic it was real, like real magic where you can also where you can build a house for 250 million. That's a real magic right there. They have bicycle cards from the US, but rider editions. So you can't find those locally, so they generally have to be imported. Each card you see on the floor is scraped, curled. The idea is to make them as flexible and hard-wearing as possible. And then the whole pack is clammed, powdered, so that I can spread them and manipulate them more easily. I also use colorful cards. I had the opportunity to go and perform. I've been to Las Vegas, been to Italy, London, China. Being a black man in China is the most surreal experience I've ever had in my life. Oh my God, it was like we were all at Disneyland and I was Mickey Mouse. It's like everyone's like, look here, feel like you don't belong here. But those experiences were wonderful. They don't understand me. But we use lots of smiling emoticons. So it's one of those moments where my friend from Italy will type and will be like, Red 3. No. Stop. If that's all you got. And I remember the magic. Thank you.
Come with me, lead this to me.
If anybody's got a portrait picture,
Oh, yeah.
hashtag, just saying. Oh, well, too well done, my brother.
Thank you very much,
Awesome. Really amazing time. Thank you. Yo, you got a photograph.